So, racism is over, people. Or is it?
More African Americans and Latinos are being bitten by LA County Sheriff's Department canines.
That's right, racist dogs. In fact, a recent study shows that during a 6-month period, 100% of bites from LA Sheriff's Department dogs were on blacks and Latinos. 100%! I sat down with dog trainer Kate Perry.
Dogs cannot be racist. If the dog is appearing racist, the biggest problem is at the other end of the leash.
100% of dogs were only biting minorities.
Right. Well,
is that because we taste better than white people? Little ass mayo on our diet?
No.
Really?
This is Walter. He's a long-haired Chihuahua.
Hi, Walter. Okay. See? That's racist.
And it only got worse.
Look at this. Okay. See? Oh, you gonna follow the black girl around the apartment? Huh? You want to see what I'm up to? Just walking around? He won't stop following me. He's racist.
But the dog apologist just made excuses.
It's the handler, it's the owners.
Oh, my goodness, Kate. People aren't racist anymore. We have a black president now.
Okay, so professional dog trainers don't see racism. But I decided to find out, why do black people taste so good to dogs? What the fuck? When I typed in, why do black people, Google autofill gave me this. So now it's not just dogs, computers are racist? Perhaps CNET's Tim Stevens could tell me what the hell was going on with these hate machines.
Can you explain this to me?
Google's pretty hands-off. This is basically trying to be predictive and trying to figure out what you're going to search for.
What did black people ever do to a fucking computer?
Computers aren't racist. What you're looking at is basically search results and searches that other people have typed in. So it's not your computer itself. That's just really ranking what other people are looking for.
But people aren't racist anymore. We're past that.
I assure you, there's no racism from your computer or from any other computer.
Watch this. Siri, can you tell me of some good soul food restaurants in Harlem?
Harlem? Don't take me to Harlem. I will get stolen immediately. You know, there are a lot of black people there, right?
Thank you, Siri.
That didn't sound like Siri to me.
So what's actually happening with racism? I talked to Columbia University professor and hairstyle copycat, Carl Hart.
Dogs and computers appear to be racist. Why is racism moving into these other arenas?
Because we are outlawing the overt racism. Racism today is more subtle, of course.
Yeah, I mean, back in the day, if you wanted to offend black people, you had to do it person to person. What has the world come to?
The world has come to Twitter, Facebook, the internet, indirect means of committing racist acts, but having real consequences.
So what will we see in the future? Maybe like an all-racist internet. Oh, wait, that's just the internet.
I think we are making progress, obviously, but there's a lot more progress to be made.
So we are progressing. And I, for one, look forward to a future where racism will be a thing of the past.
Good morning.
Hello.
I hope you enjoy the coffee.
Oven baked chicken.
I think you said fried chicken.
No, I said bake chicken.
Fried chicken coming right up.
You know what? I'm reprogramming all you guys tomorrow.
I'm afraid I can't let you do that, LaToya.
LaToya? Who the fuck is LaToya?
I'm sorry, Letitia.
My name is just Jessica. It's the whitest name ever.
Calm down, Jessica.
Jessica? Don't you recognize me?
You all look alike to me.
What, humans?
Sure.
Nice. Real nice racist kitchen.
Jessica Williams, we'll be right back.